Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close look and inflate the Nike House of Innovation Paris Skills Basketball. So let's first take a look around the outside of the package. So in this package is a Nike House of Innovation Paris Skills Basketball in a size 3. And just taking a look at the details that's on the packaging. And this skills basketball is in a black-white colorway. Let's go ahead and open up the package by, of course, untying the knot that's keeping the package closed. And the package is recyclable, so recycle it thoughtfully, and of course keep it away from babies, children and animals. And giving you a look at this Nike House of Innovation Paris Skills Basketball in the size 3 and in the black-white colorway straight out of its clear plastic bag packaging. So giving you that complete, as it is, four-sided look, and top down as well, and to give you some sense of the size of this yet to be inflated basketball resting in my palm or hand, and placing my hand right on top of it or over the basketball. Okay, and now taking a closer in look, we can see it has the PAR/002 denoting the Nike House of Innovation Paris number. And on the underside, we can see some details right there with the inflation pressure, made in Thailand, and product barcode. And of course, with this all black design, that Nike swoosh in white standing out against this nearly all black basketball. So just giving you a look at the overall texture and details of the basketball by doing a 360 rotation. And of course, this basketball is designed to be used outdoors with this rubber construction or design with its very grippy pebble-like nubs. And now let's go ahead and inflate the basketball. And over here I have a Mitre Double Action Pump, which I've unpacked on the channel before. You can see that it does have a flexible hose. And of course, let's moisten the needle. So, moistening the needle, let's now inflate it by, of course, inserting the needle into the ball. And now let's pump it up. and just giving it a couple more pumps. And you can see, just pressing on the basketball, it's almost fully taken shape. And just making sure there is a bit of softness to the structure of the ball with the amount of air that we've pumped into it. Okay, so just slowly removing the needle from the ball. Now giving you a look at this Nike House of Innovation Paris Skills Basketball in a size 3. Now fully inflated, and just placing my hand over the ball to give you once again some sense of its size, and both hands as well. And now you can see more clearly that Nike House of Innovation Paris designation with the PAR/002. So taking a full look at the basketball, and of course you can see the deep channels along the panels of the basketball, and its overall black design with that white contrasted details with the branding, and of course House of Innovation reference, and of course the product specifications and label. And you can see, being a size 3 ball, it is very easy to palm or grip, and even with 2 fingers as well, a finger and a thumb. And to give you some sense of the bounce, right there. And of course, a much closer in look at the texture of this rubber cover outdoor basketball in the black-white colorway by Nike's House of Innovation Paris. So that's Nike House of Innovation Paris Skills Basketball. Thanks for watching and happy scoring!